Hi everyone, I am Abdul from AM Graphix. Today in this video, I will show you how we can easily change shirt color in Photoshop. So let's get started. First, make a selection of the shirt. After make a perfect selection, go to select, modify, smooth by 1 pixels, and again go to select, modify, feather by 2 pixels. And now press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. And now create hue and saturation and click on clipping mask icon. That will only affect the shirt color. And check mark on colorize. And play with these sliders. And see how we can easily change the color of the shirt. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this trick helpful.